In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money and make your PayPal account like this, because I know that most of you are struggling to find a website or a site or anything at all like online job in which they can earn money online, but it's very difficult because you don't want to invest money but only to earn money. And I'm going to show you how you can do that with reading emails. You will only need your Gmail account. If you don't have one, you can open it very easily just by going to Google, click Gmail, create an account, and you are going to see this video how you can earn money reading those Gmails. It's very easily and also no stress at all and completely free. Also, it is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry if you're not living in America or outside America. Now, also, you are going to see step by step how I'm going to explain to you and the small tricks that you need to know in order to earn those money. At the end of this 8 minutes video, you are be able to go by yourself and start earning those money. Now, guys, let me ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, and thank you for always sticking around and watching my videos, because I'm always publishing a new content in which I'm pretty sure most of you are interested. Now, let's get into more information about this website. So the website is called clicksgenie.com, and you can find it very easily on Google just by going over Google and click clicksgenie.com, and it will be shown up to you, because as I said, it's completely free and worldwide, so you don't have to pay any money over here. You will get paid to read emails on this website, but let me show you a small trick that this website won't really pay you for reading emails if you don't follow my steps. So if you think you can do this by yourself, opening this website and registering, it won't give you the option of reading email unless you don't watch this video at the end, and I'm going to show you how you're going to activate that part. So you are going to make up to 40 cents for every email you read. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, that's not a lot of money. Of course, this method won't make you the richest person in the world, but of course it will help you to increase your earnings. Guys, let me tell you that this is a great method because it's completely free and also easily. And I know that most of you get like 100 emails per week or also per day on your Gmail account, and imagine how much you're going to earn. So $100 or even more, because it depends how many often emails you get. Now, let me show you a little bit information about this website. So it is friendly interface. ClicksGenie is very easy to use with lean and friendly interface. Multiply earnings option. So you don't have only the read emails option, but also you can earn even more by inviting your friends over to this page. Multiply levels commission. You can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. You can also read more about this information over here. It's a secure, so ClicksGenie is safe and secure to use. They use the two-factor authentication and is transparent, so you can track your earnings every day on the dashboard that they will provide to you as soon as you register. It's very fast, so it doesn't crash on its slow website. Your payments are instant every time. Multiply payment options. You can get paid through Bitcoin, and I know that most of you prefer Bitcoin as a way to earn money, so they give you this option. All payments on ClicksGenie are instant. You request payout, you're paid in minutes. It's very secure and safe, 100% safe. Now, what I need you to be more interested is the stats over here, in which you can see that they have like 22,000 total members, 494 members online, and $8,000 total paid. Now you can see the proofs over here. After clicking it, you will be directed to this page in which you can see people all around the world and also the date and also the time. As you can see, in 2022, people are earning money through these websites, reading emails online very easily and very fast, and also available worldwide. People from all around the world, as you can see, Brazil, France, Venezuela, and many other countries are earning money. Now you can register and earn money in 30 seconds. That's like the amount of time you will need to register to this website. Real-time stats available to everyone, rapid customer support. Security, simplicity, and easiness are the keywords for this website. Now just click on register button over here, and after clicking it, you will be directed to this page in which you will have to put your username, email, password, confirm password, prove that you are not a robot, and also you will have to accept their terms of privacy notice, and if you want to receive marketing communication. After clicking register, you are going to get this email on your Gmail account in which you will have to verify your account, and just click the verification link that they will send to you. Now, as soon as you do that, you have to log in, and this will be your dashboard in which you can keep a track of all the earnings that you will get from this website. Here you have the referrals, and also if you're wondering where you can get your money, now it's here with the option money, and then click on withdraw, and you can get the money as soon as you start earning them. Now, as you can see, you have the referral link over here in which you can copy and start sharing it and earning money. This was one of the method in which I told you. Now you can do that with referring to your friends, but you can also go to the Facebook groups, and I totally recommend you this, guys, this option. You can go to the Facebook groups like Make Money Online or Earn Money Online, and you can put the referral link over there, and you can start earning money as soon as someone clicks on that referral link. Now, probably wondering how you are going to earn those money through reading emails, because you cannot see the option over here. As I told you, this is a hidden option, because I'm going to show you where you can find it. Now, first you have to go to your Gmail account, in which ClicksGenie has sent you an email like this: important welcome to ClicksGenie. Now, as soon as you open this email, they will explain to you how you can add ClicksGenie to contact list, because will be how you're going to earn those money through reading emails. But when you click the three dots over here, you will not see this option available on your Gmail. So this is how you're going to do it. First, you will need to go to the Google search page, and then click on the dots over here, and you will see the option contacts. As soon as that page will be open, you can create a new contact over here just by clicking it. Now you can put and create that contact. First name Clicks, last name Genie. Now the email, you can find it over here, in which Genie has sent you the email, and you can find it contact@clicksgenie.com, and you can put it as an information here. Now the other boxes, you can leave it empty because there is no need to complete them, and you can save. And now as soon as you save it, you will start earning money every time you read an email. And I know that most of you have like 600 or thousands of email without reading them, so as soon as you start reading them, you're going to earn money and increase your incomes. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also have a look at our other videos as well, and please give a thumbs up to this video.